friends, this is Puneet Sharma and today I am going to tell you what astrology is all about. Astrology is all about the guiding, about the predictions, about counseling and about remedies. This is a very authentic and deep subject if we understand the real essence of astrology. Let's talk today about the retrogression of planets because a lot of people are talking these days on YouTube channels, on Facebook account about the retrograde planets. This is not a thing to worry about. When planets get retrograde, it is more about that energies are dealing with our inner psychic. It is more associated with psychological things. It is more about our undoing of emotional baggages. This is a time when we can revisit and close the projects which we have left behind. So this is a time to reassure what we have done in the past and how we can improve our present and future. We can plan accordingly. So the major concern why I am talking about retrogression of planets today is to tell you how to deal with the era when all the planets are getting retrograde, particularly in which house in our birth chart planets are getting retrograde. That is a area where we have to acknowledge our mistakes, or we have to learn the beauty how we have worked in the past in this particular area, and this is the area where we have to do more introspection for betterment in our life. If a retrogression is happening in first house, it means we have to undo our fears, we have to work on our anxieties, we have to work on our insecurities so that we can make our personality more prominent in the coming time. Then how we can blame? This is a very good period because hardly we get time in this life to rethink, and this is a time is to be utilized as a blessing, like a blessing in our life. Suppose if the planets are getting retrograde in 10th house, it means we have to acknowledge the mistakes of our past at our workplace. We have to look inward. We have to judge how to grow in future, how to expand our workplace in future, what extra we can do. This is the time of introspection of your workplace. And when we learn to live with our past mistakes, or when we learn to correct our past, this is how we can make our life so beautiful, worth living. So retrogression is a time, if your planets, check your chart, go and open your horoscope, check your chart where Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury are getting retrograde in your chart these days. That is the area where you have to introspect and to correct things. Very simple. But in general, when the planet of dharma and the planet of karma and the planet of intellect all are retrograde, then what you can do? You can do spiritual practices. This is a mantra to pass the time, to correct your inner psyche. Do practices, do mantras. This is a time when we come to know that true home of soul is not a material world. This is a time we learn about mind, body, soul. So take it as a blessings time. This is a time when we can make our aura more impactful with the spiritual practices, with meditation and with self-realization. We can utilize this time by learning things, because the planet of intellect is retrograde, planet of wisdom is retrograde, and the planet of karma is retrograde. We can redefine our boundaries, we can restart or replan our projects for future endeavors. And along with this, I am going to give you a tip which will definitely going to help you during these retrogradations till end of September and end of December 2020. This will help you to boost your immunity. How you will do it? Start from today, and every morning when you get up, you must get ready for a ritual which is Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is the ultimate thing. You must do it whether planets are retrograde, whether they are stationary, whether they are direct. Surya Namaskar, because Surya is a planet which is a main source of energy. So worshipping Surya is the ultimate truth. You must practice Gayatri mantras and Surya Namaskar every day. Along with sadhanas, with meditation, we can manifest our wishes to reality. This is the time when we can acknowledge what we want in life, and what the mistakes we have done in past, we need not to repeat them. So take it as a blessing and learn how to live in the present. So hope you people have liked my ideas on or insights on retrogression of planets. Your feedback is valuable, so must comment in the inbox. If you want to know about your birth horoscope readings, you can mail us at astro_puneet@yahoo.in. Our website is www.astropuneet.com. You can call for telephonic sessions. You can book an appointment. 9899289135 is our number. God bless you all.